A political storm has brewed as a video from the 2024 Odisha Assembly elections resurfaced, triggering a fresh controversy in Tamil Nadu's election landscape. The viral clip, originally shared by the BJP during Odisha polls, allegedly targeted senior BJD leader VK Pandian. Now reposted by the Tamil Nadu Congress on social media platform X, the video has reignited debate over regional identity and political messaging. The opposition has accused the BJP of adopting double standards. The row intensified after visuals emerged of BJP National President Nitin Nabin having breakfast on a banana leaf during campaign events in Tamil Nadu. Congress leaders pointed to the earlier Odisha campaign video, claiming the BJP had once mocked similar cultural practices. Back in 2024, the BJP had criticized Pandian over references to food habits, including eating traditional dishes like pakhala on a banana leaf, framing it as an issue of Odia Asmita or regional pride. Now critics argue the party's stance appears contradictory. The issue gained further traction after a Tamil news channel compared both videos, highlighting the apparent inconsistency in the party's messaging. This has added fuel to the ongoing political debate around cultural identity and respect. However, Odisha BJP leaders have rejected the allegations, stating there was no disrespect towards Tamil culture. They clarified that the criticism was directed at individuals unfamiliar with Odisha's traditions, not any community. As the debate intensifies, the controversy underscores how identity politics and cultural narratives continue to shape electoral discourse, linking Odisha and Tamil Nadu in an unexpected political flashpoint.
ओडिया कल्चर विषय जानी नथिबा लोकटा ओडिशार नेता होगा चाहूचंती एक तो समालोचना करतला ना कदलीपत्र को समालोचना कराउतला ना तमिल की आज नितिन नवीन कदलीपत्र खाइले नुआ कथा किछ नै एटा भलो कथा एटा हम राष्ट्र तो कदलीपत्र खाइबार व्यवस्था अछि कोन खाइले पखाळ खाइले की नाही पखाळ पई विशेष बासन व्यवस्था अछि सेटा से जानी नथिले ବୋଲି समालोचना कराइतला हम दल रे सब अंचल रे सर्वभारतीय दल हेले भी सब अंचलर अस्मिता युक्त नेता माने अछंती किंतु सर्वभारतीय भावना एक कथा कांग्रेस बुझिबा दरकार जोटा कांग्रेस रे नाही।